In this video, we are going to look into how we are going to create the Catkin workspace. As usual, we are going to open the terminal. After that, you need to create few folders for Catkin to install all the packages inside it. So for making up to create a directory, the command is mkdir. We are going to perform it. Catkin workspace and source folder. Okay, now you can see there will be a folder called Catkin workspace in your home, so it can be clearly seen. So now we need to go to Catkin workspace folder. So you are changing your current directory to Catkin workspace by typing catkin ws/src. So the current directory is changed to Catkin workspace source. Then you need to create the CMake list.txt file just by implementing this command catkin init underscore workspace. That's it. Well, if you get this, then it's done. If you do ls, then you will get this CMake list is got created. Now we are good to go. If you want to come back to, we need to do the catkin make, so we need to do it in the catkin make folder, not in the source folder. So you need to come back to the catkin workspace folder. We are currently now in source folder, so you need to make cd space double dot and it will come back. So what you need to do is catkin make. So this will run. You can close this capacity. After it is run, is compiled, then it's done. So you can go to the Catkin workspace and see there are new folders, world, and everything. Okay, fine. So next we are going to look into how we are going to create a package. Before that, we need to specify the folder where we are going to implement all these things. So like we did it in before while installing ROS, we put a source in bash rc. Likewise, we are going to do it right now. Well, come to cd, then just get it start bash rc. This window is open. You remember putting this over in ROS, this command, this line we added it in ROS. Now at the same line we have to source it. Source Catkin workspace devel setup.bash. You just save it. You can cross verify it whether the file exists or not. Just going to the devel. Yeah, see, here we can find it. No problem with that. So you just save it and you just close it. That's it. We sourced it. Now we can create packages over here. Okay, let me before explain the build, devel, and source folder. Let me start with the source folder because that is the main important folder we are going to use in our upcoming videos more. The source folder where you will put all your packages over there, all your codes will be there, launch files, everything is going to be there. And build folder is the folder which is going to run the catkin make command. Is there any mistakes or else any it does not any header file matching with the libraries, it will show up the build files immediately, so it will help prevent all the building files. So it is very useful for running the program. If you are doing C++, it is very important, and as well as Python. And there's a devel folder which we sourced over there. This is a very important thing. Which are, if you didn't get any one of these folders, then it won't work. Make sure all three folders are there. And this is the shell script where we need to source everything. Then only the programs will run, or else you need to define it each and every time before running the program. So you need to do catkin make install in the catkin folder. That is very important. This you need to make catkin make install. Okay, it's done. Okay, now we can create a package whatever we want. So that's a syntax to create a catkin package. Catkin underscore create underscore pkg. So create a catkin create package, then your name, ROS package name, whatever you want. You can call it as my programs, and your package dependencies, whether it is ROS, Python, C++, or whatever it is. Going to add dependencies of ROS, C++, ROS Py, stdd, msgs, so everything. So once you go to the source folder, nothing's in there. Once you execute this command, it is successfully created. So I can see my programs over here. Okay, actually we did a mistake. When and all you create a package folder, don't create it inside this catkin folder. It will be a mistake. The programs won't execute fine. So what you need to do is you need to create inside the source folder.
Then
Just
you need
delete
to
this.
check on the source list.
It
For
doesn't
that, you
matter.
just go to the terminal.
And cd
After
to
the terminal is
src.
open,
So
you need
you
to
can do it
just type
and implement
lsp
this package
underscore
again.
release
Okay.
space hyphen and sc.
Now it's created.
This is just nothing
It's
but
totally
you
fine.
can just check the source list.
So here's the
It
Catkin
doesn't matter,
package.
you
In this
need to
folder you
check after
can
the
put all
installation
your
process are
programs
full. You can
and
just check
execute it.
when
Totally fine.
you
See you in the next video.
install
Thanks. Bye.
the source list. At the time